In order to be successful in the future, I think every real estate agent has to be AI native. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 levels of Claude for real estate agents. Most agents are stuck at level 1. Here are the 5 levels real estate agents are using Claude. One is we're using it as search replacement, using it as Google and a search engine, trying to find something. Second one is your context partner. This is what we talk about level 2, which later in this video, I'm going to show you and give you the exact free prompt that you can use to get to this level where Claude learns more about who you are and give you context that's really relevant to you. The third level is building your own workflow system. You stop explaining to Claude what you want to do, who you are. Claude has enough context, and then you already built some custom workflow that's gonna automate parts of your business. The fourth one is your connected partner. It's wired to everything like your email inbox, your calendar, your CRM, basically serve as your AI assistant and manage all the workflow for you. And this is where I am currently. I'm at the level 4 connected operator. The final level is real estate operating system. You build your entire business on top of that. And I'm going to show you and give you some concrete example of what that looks like towards the end of the video. And if you're someone who want to be a top producing real estate agent, independent brokerage owner, team leader, you need to understand how AI can help you do that. If this is your first time here, my name is Zhang. I am a real estate agent here in Austin, Texas. I'm also the founder of Real Estate AI Society, where we teach you how to use AI to grow your real estate business. Let's get into the detail. First one, you're using Claude as a search replacement. At this level, you're typing in your question, like write a listing for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Mueller. And every time you start that conversation, it writes from what it knows about Mueller. It writes a very generic output because Claude is trained by all of the publicly available internet data out there and is gonna create an average response. That's how Claude or any sort of LLM, large language model, works. And you want to get from this level 1 immediately, you want to get to level 2. And the way to do that is by providing more specific context and more example of what a good listing description looks like. And if you ever think that AI writing sounds fake, that is not the right conclusion. That is a generic output. It's not because the AI model isn't capable of doing more. It's extremely powerful. Right now, I think the average realtor is probably tapping into maybe 1% or even 0.1% of what the LLMs are capable of, because the average realtor are not using AI at all, right? You want to be past that. And I'm going to give you the prompt to get you from level 1 to level 2 immediately, which I'm going to show you how to use it in this video as well. Level 2 looks like is a context partner. The Claude that you're communicating with, you actually give it real materials about yourself instead of asking it to take a guess. So you give it like an actual inspection report and what your input is on that inspection report. Give it example of your past listing descriptions and say, this is the tone of voice. So what Claude's going to do is going to analyze the way you write and understand and study your tone of voice, and then you will create output just like that. And what's even better, you can put someone else's listing descriptions and say, I want to use this tone of voice to communicate. So now Claude will remember it in the background. I'm going to show you how to set that up on Claude as well, so you don't have to worry about memorizing everything right here. This is how you can make the output quality jumps levels ahead of level 1, meaning that it will be very specific to you and your tone of voice and who you are as an individual. Which brings me here, if you want to get access to the free context prompt, you'll be included for free in the newsletter link down below. And if you want to join other real estate agents and learn how to use AI to build your real estate business, you can join the waitlist to get onto the paid community using the link down below. And now let's talk about level 3 of using Claude is you are building out your workflow systems. You are building a skill that you can reuse using Claude. And these skills are very custom to your workflow. For example, what I have is a presentation skill, which whenever I ask Claude, build me a presentation slide to talk about the 5 levels of Claude, you will build me the slide right here. This is the exact slide that you're looking at, and Claude can do that wonderfully. I also built a skill called Good Morning. What it does is that it goes to my CRM, pulls the latest leads and information, their activity, and updates me on what I need to do. That is a workflow that I'm building to my business because I know what I need to do in order to get to the production level that I want to be. In order to achieve that, I need to have repeatable workflows and systems that's set up to help me run my business. The number 4 is the connected operator level. This is currently my level. What it does is that I build an AI assistant using Claude called Ashley. She handles all of my calendar, the Google Drive, the CRM. It checks my inbox, my leads activity. It helps me organize my work. It helps me create content. And because all of those workflows are tailored for me, it understands all of the context. I gave her a memory file that she writes into. She knows everything about me, and I work through her in order to achieve what I want. And I'm trying to get to the next level, which to me is the most exciting part about this AI future. This AI future is that real estate AI operating system. Everything runs through the AI layer, and the most important thing is that this part is going to be automated. Here's are some of the examples that it looks like. AI creates your social media content for you, whether it's your to be listed, coming soon, sold, all of those content you will pull from the MLS automatically, and then you will post on your social media for you. Basically, you just hire a $50,000 to $100,000 full-time marketing department that helps you run your social media. If you've ever followed my channel for a while, you know that I am big on using AI avatar to create video content, and I have been doing that for the past 3 months. And I gotta tell you, I just closed one of my deals from my YouTube channel that it's been creating content using my AI clone. Not only will my AI operating system can connect to my AI clone and create content that way, you will do it automatically. That is the level I'm getting to next. Second one is the AI call and follow-up leads. I also did a previous video on how I created AI calling agents that calls my leads for me. I did that video last year, and right now in May 2026, that technology, it is at least twice as good. The latency has improved, the speed to lead improved, the voice agent sounds absolutely authentic. Sometimes I don't even recognize it. And this is the future of how real estate is going to be done. You're going to be asking, well, if AI does all the work, what am I going to do? What I'm going to do is going to be the face, going to be the human connection, while AI handles all of the admin, all of the boring stuff. As real estate agents, we know in order to get a deal from beginning to end, there's so many steps along the way. And many of the steps doesn't really require us to do so. That's why we hire a transaction coordinator, a virtual assistant to help us handle some of the admin work. But now AI can actually call and follow up with the leads and books the appointment. I just show up, I be on camera, and I got to talk to them via Zoom. The Zoom meeting has a transcript. AI is going to capture that transcript and know the next steps of what to do. Usually what happens if it's a buyer appointment, I'm going to set up the search alert, understand what they're looking for. All that information is going to be added to my CRM automatically, and all of that is going to run in the background after I talk to the client. And then the seller, basically same thing. Let's say we got under contract. What happens next? It is a transaction coordination. AI will know when the contract is now executed, inspection due, financing due, who are the inspector that I should reach out to. They're going to reach out to the inspector and schedule inspection for me. They're going to handle all of that contract for me. And I want to reiterate, in order to be successful in the future, I think every real estate agent has to be AI native. All of the workflows that you see that I just talked about right here has to be AI'd away, and we can just focus on the human part, the connection, emotional management of our clients. That's how we can add values in future real estate transactions. Anything else that can be automated will be handled in the background. And the best thing is, once we build this system correctly, if we build a closed loop, which means that the data gets fed into the AI system, that system gets to update and improve over time by itself. Right here at level 4 where I am, I still got to be one who feeds the data back to the agent to let them understand. If you're interested in learning how to do that, this is exactly what we talk about, how we can go from level 1 and eventually get to level 5 in the real estate AI society. And I'm gonna ask you to comment using the comment box down below. Where are you at the AI fluency level? Love to know what you guys are doing. And now, as promised, let's go over how we can go from level 1 to level 2 jump tonight. It's a simple prompt that you can use. It's in our starter pack. It's called the context block prompt. Basically what it does is that you just enter this prompt into Claude, and Claude's going to ask you a couple questions to get you to the next level. So here we go. I open Claude right here. This is the Claude desktop app, and this is the prompt that you can get access to for free by signing up to the free newsletter down below. Here's the profile it's going to go over. So you're just going to copy this, paste it here, and select the right model. Opus 4.7 is good, but I think right now you can get access to it using Sonnet 4.6. The way I would like to explain it to other people is that Haiku, you think of Haiku as a high school graduate intern. They're here helping you do some work. Sonnet is a college level intern, and Opus is a PhD level intern. So obviously this is cheapest, this is affordable, and this is the most expensive, but they're the most capable. So I like to use Opus and then just enter this prompt right here. I already done it before, so I'm going to show you right here the results. So I'm going to tell Claude who I am, who's my typical client, and any specific group I'm targeting. I'm going to give you a tip. You don't want to type these things because there's going to be a lot of information. What you're going to do is click this little record button. You can talk to Claude, and then Claude's going to transcribe what you said and then enter it that way. So this is a much easier way to communicate with AI moving forward. At the end, here is the prompt. I serve Mandarin-speaking homebuyers relocating to Austin from out of state or internationally, often sophisticated, educated buyers who don't need things dumbed down. Correct. And then second one is that I'm targeting English-speaking home sellers, an audience I'm trying to actively grow. Correct. My price range, usually from $500,000 to $700,000, all areas in Austin Metro. Wonderful. This is all the information that he gathered from me. I also gave him my email file where I said, here's a conversation that I had with an agent. Get my tone of voice. So he came to a conclusion that my tone of voice is short and functional, warm but zero fillers, and I have a collaborative but not pushy, insider shorthand, no over explaining. So now that he knows everything about me, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this right here, and then I'm gonna come here and click right here at the bottom left and go to settings and give it instruction for Claude and just paste this one right here. From now on, every conversation that I start, you will read this context right here first, and then it's gonna tailor that towards my specific need. And then it's gonna save automatically. So now it knows everything about me, the way I talk about, and there's some hard limits to talk about. That is how you get from level 1 to level 2. And just to give you a quick idea what level 4 looks like, this is my executive assistant, Ashley, my AI assistant that I'm building workflows around. You can see all of the custom skills that I built for myself that help me run my business. For example, for my Mandarin speaking channels, I create a YouTube flywheel. You research all of the competitors, give me content ideas, and then you prep the video, prep the slides for me. CRM manager, it goes over my follow-up boss and then manages my leads. Instead of me typing in the phone number, everything, I just talk to my AI assistant and then it will record that lead for me. Update me on what my leads are doing, who I should reach out to. And another skill that I created is the MLS search. When I run this skill, it will actually open up a browser, log into my MLS on the website, and then you will do all the searches for me. This is how I can be more efficient when I'm planning a route for my client. And if you're interested in learning more about Claude and how to use AI in your real estate business, you can watch some of these next videos.